Hello everyone, hope you have seen the previous video. So today we are going to discuss about power notation, how to express a number in form of power notation. Suppose a number it is given, imagine one number, suppose a number it is given 8. Okay, this number you have to write in the form of power notation. So that means 8, you have to find the factors of 8. So what are the factors of 8? So let me find 2 4s are 8, then again 2 3s are 2 2s are 8. So what are the factors of 8? So 8 factors are 2 into 2 into 2. These all are the factors of 8. So we can write it as a 2 cube. Is it? So we can write the factors of 8. So 8 equal to 2 cube. So that means we have write the numbers. This number previously it is given 8, so we have write in the form of power notation, that is 2 cube. Okay, so here 3 is power and 2 is the base. That means it is in the form of what? Power notation. So like this we have to write. So see question in your exercise, question number 4, it is given that express in power notation. So you have to write in the form of power. So see here one example question I am discussing, 256. 256. So 256, you don't know what are the factors of 256. So for that what you have to do, you have to find the factors of 256. So 256 is given, 256 is given here. So first we will divide by 2, then you will get like LCM method, 128. Then again 120 we can divide by 2, it will be 64. Then again 64 we can divide by 2, then your question it will be 2 into 32. So again like this if we do, we will get the factors. All these are the factors of what? All these are the factors of 256. So we can write it as a in the form of 256. How many factors we have got? 2. How many we have got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 factors we have got. So that means it will be 2 into how many times it will multiply? 8 times. That means we can write it as a 2 power 8. So that means it is in the form of power notation. See here, 8 is power, 2 is the base. Okay, now see question number this one, minus 343. This one also you have to write in the form of power notation. 343 is given. So 343, you have to find the factors of 343. So by what number it will be divided? If you try by 2, it is not divisible by 2. Why? Because the last digit of 343 is 3. 3 is odd number. So that means it will be not divided by 2. Okay. So now let's try with 3. So if you try with 3, then also it is not divided 3, 4, 3. It is not divided by 3. 4 because it is odd number. That means 5 also. That means if it is divided by 5, then your last digit of the divisor should be what? It will be 0 or 5, but it is 3. So we have to start with then what? 7. So let's start with 7. So 7, if you divide 7, how? 7 34. I'm doing here 343. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, but we need 34. So that's why 7 4s are 28. After that 28, what it will be? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That means how much? 63. 7, how much is 63? 7 9s are 63. Okay, again we can divide it by 7. So if I divide it by 7, then 7 7s are 49. How many 7 we are getting? 3 7. See here, minus is given, so I can write this minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. If you forget this minus, if you remove this minus, what are the factors of 343? 7 7 7. Okay, but here minus is given, so I have to write minus in all the case. Okay, so if I will write minus in all the case, minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7, so it would be minus 7 power 3. So is it in the form of power notation? Yes, because 3 is your power and minus 7 is your base. Okay, similarly, see the question 4. What I have done, 49 by 25. So 49 I can write is a 7 into 7, and denominator 25 is there. 25 I can write it is a 5 into 5. So if numerator 7 into 7 in power notation, I can write it as a 7 square. 7 square, denominator 5 into 5, that means I can write it as a 5 square. So that means 7 square by 5 square. So see, both the numerator denominator power is 2. So can I write it as a 7 by 5 bracket outside square? That means this square is there for 7 also, for 2 also. So for this common, I can give the bracket, and after giving the bracket outside, it will be square. Okay, similarly see question number 8. Same, 8 I can write it as a 2 into 2 cube. Okay, so sorry, had this second line I have missed. So 8 I can write it as a 2 into 2 into 2. So minus 8 is there, so I can write this 3 times 2 is multiplied like this. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So can I write it as a minus 2 cube? Yes. So here I have written minus 2 cube. See, the numerator minus 2 cube is there. After that 27 is given. So this 27 also can I write as a 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now see here. Here both the numerator and denominator minus power is 3. So can I write, see, if I write like this, minus 2 cube is given, then denominator 3 cube is there. So I can write it as a, because here also cube, here also cube. So I can write this cube outside the bracket. So 2 minus 2 by 3, common power is what? 3. So outside the bracket 3 will be there. So that means this is one base and your power is 3. That means it is in the form of what? Power notation. Okay, now see, this one you have to do a 6 number 81 by 625. First you have to find what? Factors of 81. If you find the factors, some factors you will get. If you find the factors of 625, so ultimately at the numerator denominator sum, suppose you have get here a power 4, okay, and denominator you have got b power 4, like this. A is one number, b is one number, just I am telling. So then after that what it will be answer. See, here also power 4, here also power is 4. So I can write this common power outside the bracket. So I can write it as a by b whole power 4. So like this you have to do. So 6 number and your first 1 number question I have left, that one you have to do by yourself. Okay, now see question number 5. Find the value of 1 number. It is given minus 5 cube into minus 1 power 7 into 2 square. So one thing you have to learn first. Suppose minus 7 into minus 2. So if you multiply these two numbers, 7 into 2, how much? 7 to the 14. But here also minus is there, here also minus is there. So these two minus and minus will be plus. Okay, that means if you multiply 2 minus, see here, if I multiply 2 minus, then it will final answer will be plus. Or if I multiply 1 minus into with 1 plus, then it will be minus only. Okay, that means minus into minus is plus, or plus into minus, or minus into plus, it will be always minus only. Or if you multiply plus on plus into plus, then it will be plus only. Okay, so now see question number 1. See the question number 1, it is given minus 5 cube minus 1 power 7 2 square minus 5 is given, and power outside it is 3 is even number, odd number. 3 is odd number. I have told in previous video that if any number, you have any negative number power is odd, then it will be always negative. That means this minus will come outside, then it will be 5 cube only, like this. Again I am writing, if any negative number power is odd number, then this minus will come outside, like this it will be. Okay, so see, if minus 5 whole power cube is given, that means minus will come outside, then it will be how much? Minus 5 cube, again minus 1 power 7, that means minus 1 is negative number, power is your odd number, so then there also minus will come out. Then minus 1 power 7 means how much? 1 only. Okay, then again 2 square means 4. So minus this 1 minus this 1 minus, multiplication is there. See here, multiplication is there, so this minus will be plus. Okay, so plus I'm writing here, plus is there, plus into plus is how much? Plus only. So no, plus only, nothing is there means plus is there, so we have got the final answer plus. Okay, now 5 cube means how much? 125 into how much? 125 into 1, 125 only, and after that 4 is there, so 125 into 4. So this one you have to do this, you have to do the multiplication. Again I am explaining. So if I multiply minus 5 whole cube, then you will get minus 5 cube, then minus 1 power 7, then it will be 4. Minus 5 cube means how much? Minus 125. Minus 1 power 7 means minus 1 only, and 4. So this minus it will be plus, plus into minus, this minus become plus, this one and this one become plus. After that here nothing is there means plus is there, so with this plus and plus, what you will get? This plus, and here plus is there, so this plus and plus, what you will get? You will get how much? Plus only. Okay, that means ultimately finally we have got plus. So and now numerical part, you have to do multiplication. 125 into 4, 125 into 4, how much it is? 500. And the your sign, it will be plus or minus. We have got plus now, so it will be no need to write anything, nothing is there means plus only. So the final answer will be 500. See here, the final answer is 500. Okay, now see question number 2. Here it is given 1 by 3 power cube into 3 by 5 power square. So 1 by 3 power cube, 1 by 3 power cube, so I can write it as like this: 1 by 3 cube, 1 cube by 3 cube, 1 cube means 1 only, 1 cube by 3 cube, so 1 by 27, this will be equal to 1 by 27. See it first, 1 by 3 whole cube means I can write as a 1 cube by 3 cube, this is equal to 1 cube means 1, 1 cube means 1, and 3 cube means how much? 27. Okay, so here I have written 1 by 27. Now 3 square 5 square, sorry, 3 by 5 whole square, so I can write it as a 3 square divided by 5 square. 3 square means how much? 3 square means 9, 5 square means 25. Now see here, 1 by 27 into 9 by 25 it is given. Okay, so here multiplication is there, that means we can, this 1 and 9 is in the numerator, and this 27 and 25 is in the what? Denominator. So 1 by 27 I can write like this also, both are same only, 25. That means I have multiplied the numerator part and denominator part I have multiplied. So 9 3s are 27. Cancellation I have done. So 1 by 3 into 25. 3 into 25 means how much? 75. So it answer will be 1 by 75. See. Okay. Here also 3 by 4. 3 by 4 square means 3 square by 4 square minus 1 by 2 cube. Sorry, this is not plus, this will be multiplication. Minus 1 by 2. Negative number, power is what? Odd. So that means minus will come out. 1 by 2 cube, that means 1 cube by 2 cube. Listen properly first. Minus 1 by 2 cube minus negative number, then power is odd, so it will minus will come out, so minus I have written. Then after 1 by 2 cube, that means 1 cube by 2 cube. 1 cube means 1 only, 1 I have written. 2 cube means 8. Then after again 2 cube. 2 cube means how much? 8 I can write. Okay, now see here, this 1 by 8 into, this is multiplication, 1 minus 1 by 8 into 8 is there. Okay, so now see this all new I can write in the numerator. So 3 square means 9 into minus 1 into how much? 8. See, 8 by 1, 8 multiplication of 8 is there means 8 by 1, that means 8 is in the numerator. And all the denominator what is there? 4 square. 4 square means 16 into 8. Okay, this 8 get cancelled. So your answer will be 9 into 1, 9, plus, here plus is there, plus 1, plus into minus, minus. So that means minus 9 by how much? 16. See it first. 3 square by 4 square into 1 by 2 cube into 2 cube. So all this numerator I have written and denominator I have written. Then after cancellation, so here 3 into 3, 9, and 4 into 4, 16, minus 1 is there. So here plus 9 is there, minus 1 is there. So minus plus minus, and then 9 into 1 is 9. So that means answer will be minus 9 by 16. Now 4 number is very easy. 2 square means 4, 3 cube means 27, 4 cube means 64 after the addition. Okay. Now see question number 6. Write as a power of 5. Base should be 5. That means as a power of 5. Write a number as a power of 5. Suppose if I write here 2 power 3. Then what I will tell? Power of 2 is 3. So here it is given as a power of 5. That means base should be 5. That means this one 5 power, here whatever you will get, that one is not mentioned, but this base, this one, it should be 5. Okay, see, so 5 is given. So if 5 is there, 5 is multiplied how many times here? 1 time. That means 5 power 1 I can write. So that means here base is 5, power is 1. That means it is in the form of power of 5. Okay, now see 25. 25 means 5 into 5. So I can write it 5 square. So base is 5, power is 2. 125. 125 means 5 into 5 into 5. That means 5 cube. So base is 5, power is 3. We just need the power, base should be 5. So we have got every time 5, 5, 5. Now 625. 625 means power 5 into 5 into 5 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. So 5 power 4. Again 5 number 3125. We don't know the factors of 3125. So what do we have to do? We have to do the factorization. First we will do factorization. 5 625 is a 3125. Then again if we do like this, then we will get what? 5 is multiplied how many times? 5 times. That means 5 power 5. Okay, now see question number 7. MCQ. A boy was asked to write, listen the questions carefully first. A boy was asked to write 2 power 5 into 9 power 2. But he was asked to write this one, but he wrote 2592. Okay, now the question is that you have to find the difference between this number, what he has asked to write, and what he has written. You have to find the difference between these two number. So how will you find? This number value is value only given 2592, but we don't know the exact value of this one. Okay, so 2 power 5 is how much? 2 power 5 is 2 is multiplied 5 times. If you multiply 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 8, 2 5 is 10. Like this, if you multiply 2 is multiplied how many times? 2 3 is 8. That means so not 2 3 is 2 is multiplied 3 times, then it will be 8. If 2 is multiplied 4 times, then it will be 16. If 2 is multiplied 5 times, that means 16 into 2, that means 32. If 2 is multiplied how many times? 5 times, that means it is 32. 9 square means how much? 81. So if you do multiplication of 32 into 81, then you will get some value. So that value you have to check how much difference between these two. So if you multiply 32 into 81, then also you will get 2592. You do by yourself, you do the multiplication, then you will get whether you are getting or not, you will understand at that time. So if you do multiplication 32 into 81, you are getting 2592. And what the boy has written? Boy has written 2592 only. That means what is the difference between these two numbers? 0. That means see, difference is equal to 2592 minus 2592, that means 0. So C option, which one is given? The numerical difference between the two number is, A option is given 0, B option is 1, C option is 2, D option is 3. How much you are getting the difference? 0. So your option is A. See how easy it is. Now see question number 8. It is given reciprocal of. First, the main thing in mathematics is that you have to read the questions very carefully. In question only 50% answer is there. See, reciprocal of. Question it is given reciprocal. Whatever answer you will get, that answer reciprocal you have to find. So first we have to simplify this one. That means this number is not simplified. Something multiplication is given, that number reciprocal it is asked. So first you have to do the simplification. So let's do the simplification. See what it is given. Minus 2 by 3 power 4 minus 3 by 4 power 3. So see, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 means negative number. Negative number power is 4. That means it will be what? It will be always positive number. So 2 by 3 power 4 only. Again minus 3 by 4 power 3. Minus 3 by 4 is negative number. Power 3. 3 is odd or even? 3 is odd number. That means this negative sign will come outside. See here, I have written. That means it will be like this. 2 by 3 power 4 into minus of 3 by 4 power 3. Okay. So this minus I can write at first. So first I have written minus. So 2 by 3 power 4. 2 by 3 power 4. That means I can write 2 by 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. Again this minus I have written at first. Here I have written minus. So again 3 by 4 power 3 means 3 power 3, 4 power 3. Is it? Okay, like this I have written. After that, see what I have done. 2 power 4 means 2, 2, 2, like this 4 times I have written. 3 power 4 means like this. So see here, 3 cube means I have written 3. Minus is there. You can write the minus at the previous at first, or here also you can write 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 like this. So at last you will get the same answer only, but it should be correct. Okay. So minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, 4 into 4 into, because 4 cube is given, so I have written 4 into 4 into 4. Now see, if I write 4 into 4 into 4, okay, wait. See here, this 2, this 3 3 3 I can cut with this 3 3 3. Okay, 2, this 2 2s are 4, 1 4 I have cut it. This 2 2s are 4, 1 4 I have cut. Okay, now see, here one minus is there, here also one minus is there, here also one minus is there. How many minus? 3 minus. That means minus into minus into minus. Minus minus, if you do multiplication, it will be plus. That means plus. Again this minus is there. Plus into minus is how much? Minus. That means ultimately at last you are getting how many minus? 1 minus. See, simple trick is there. If in minus is multiplied odd number of times, that means it will be minus only. If minus is multiplied even number of times, that means 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, then it will be plus. Okay, so here no need to do multi, simply check how many minus are there. 1 2 3 minus, 3 minus, that means it's multiplied how many times? Odd number of times, that means it will be negative. So negative 1. Now after cancellation, what are the remaining? Here only 3 is remaining, here 3 is remaining, and here 4 is remaining. So 3 4s are 12. Here 3 is there, here 4 is there. 3 4s are 12. But here numerator 1 minus is there, that's a minus 1. But this is your answer. This is not your answer. Minus 1 by 12 we have got after doing simplification. But in question it is asked, find the reciprocal of. So that means reciprocal of minus 1 by 12. Reciprocal means if it is given like this, if it is given 1 by 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2. That means numerator will be the denominator and denominator will be the numerator. So see, reciprocal of minus 1 by 12 is how much? Minus 12. So check the option. Your 8, A option is correct. Minus 12 given, B option 12 given, but we are getting minus 12. That means your answer will be minus 12. So your correct option will be how much? A. With this, your second video is completed. Hope you have understood. Whatever question I have left, that one you do by yourself. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, bye bye.